Text us like Dallas. Keep it a bean, yo. He talk nice cause the pussy game me, how? Like that. Keep it a stack. They just move on cause they know.
Where you been? I haven't seen Putin in here in a minute. I don't remember that. Oh, you remember them arguing? A side piece was so cute. Oh my god, he got 12, babe. Hey, 214. Hey, Mir. I believe I just got promoted at my job at Even Killing. Oh, Perry, so you get your bag. Ricky, you look pretty. I'm not going to try you anymore. I guess. You look tasty yourself. Thank you. Thank you, Charlie. You could put the mustard on your cans. A cute little 1-2 mukbang. I don't feel like getting the mic and stuff. I just want to eat. I want some dick. My daughter is a whore. Hey, B. I got you, Puta. Well, hopefully you start getting some sleep, girl. Because I know how it be, especially when you get a promotion. It'd be even worse. Hey, Gigi. Wait, why you not? Oh, then they talking about Puta. Do y'all try this on y'all fries and stuff? I mean, Chick-fil-A. Thank you, Michigan. Michigan, was you up last night for the piano? Thank you, Michigan. Okay, period. That's like the... Thank you, Puta. Thank you, Puta. That's like the what? Right, that's like the best sauce. That's what I'm saying. Thank you, Michigan. Yeah, I used to... Oh, okay. It was okay. It was like okay, but no shit. I had fun. It was just like I hate all the extra shit. I'm tired of see that sauce. I work there for real. This is like one of the best sauces. I cannot lie. I don't even use their sauce. Wow. I have yet to try that Puta. Hey Hermes. I be seeing that on like Instagram and stuff. I have yet to try it. But I heard it was good with like everything. I gotta try it. Here, Big Draco. Hey, Huncho. So yeah, after we eat, we definitely finna get out in the streets and see what's going on. We still got... Okay, so yesterday was like, we did really good because we was 38 boxes away. Now we're 34. I don't want to pay this milli. I want to try to hit this milli. But 34 boxes is going to be so hectic to try to get. So I'm kind of thinking like, should we just pay the milli and go for the 800? The 800, we just need 14 boxes. And then we can just start over next month. But like, we getting like, for us to be hitting 800s, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't pay it, baby. Right? It's right. It's more realistic. Okay, well, I'm not going to pay it. Y'all tell me not to pay it, so I'm not going to pay it. Why is this far? I don't know. Probably because of my body. Was that the 400? It's 4, 6, and then 8. But, you know, like when I hit a 6, it's an 8 for me, if that makes sense. Thank you, Puta. So, I want to go for an 800, which would be a milli quota for me. But it's looking more realistic. Yeah, Buka, since I don't say it's looking more realistic to just hit the 6 and it'll be an 8, if that makes sense. I forgot I gotta explain this all the time. Wow, big girl, beautiful. Big girl, beautiful. Thank you. Hey, Crystal. Go for the 6. Look, you just told me not to pay it. So pay or don't. Right, wow, big girl. Pay it or don't, Booker. You said don't pay it.